Hey everyone, it was fun to read the discussion about using Itempool as a power user and the equation rendering. So I thought I'd show how I've been using it and we can sort of have a conversation about it. Um, I usually just do blank because I like having just a blank canvas to start with. And then what I'll show is how I'm on some PDF from an MIT open course site. Let's say I want to get this question into Itempool and talk through the variety of ways one can do it. One thing that I've really loved is that you can take a screenshot and just paste it directly in. So like the first option would be just do the screenshot, maybe resize it so you can see everything. And then the only thing you have to do there, everything sort of renders nice. The only thing you have to do there is then put in input and type in what the answer is going to be. But that's sort of the quickest way, obviously. You have a loss in that now you're working with the screenshot instead of the actual text, but it works very quickly. Let's say you actually did want to, here, I'll copy and paste this equation just to describe. Let's say you actually did want to type that out into Itempool. I think the way most people would start is by just entering the equation editor and then like going like that and starting to type, and you type it all out. The other thing you can do is, which kind of looked like what was being shown in Canvas, is you can start to type out the LaTeX equals, I think I'm getting that wrong, but frac, do a frac 1/2. And I didn't obviously go all the way, but I think it should demonstrate it. And if I type out the LaTeX and then I click this, that then renders it right away. So it's nice if you do want to work with LaTeX, you can just do that. The other thing that I found super powerful is this MathPix tool. So if I go, so I think it's MathPix, and I can do this where I can take a screenshot of an equation. And what MathPix gives me is it runs it through their engine and gives me the LaTeX version of that. So it just copied that to my clipboard. And so what I could do, super convenient way to do it, is okay, that got copied to my clipboard, and then I render it. This sort of does the math formatting, which makes it show up immediately. So yeah, a few ways to do it. First, just screenshotting the item, or if you want to actually enter it in, then you can type it in or use the equation editor or whatever. So I found that to be pretty useful. I think there's definitely some room to be desired in a couple of different directions, but overall I've been able to work pretty fast with that setup.